Rise, dirty Bungle.
Me say rise, dirty Bungle. Rise, dirty Bungle.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. We're going bless up first and foremost, so you know the vibes, yeah. So me I go ask you for subscribe if on the first time over your son naturally. That's what I got to tell about what the description say. Alright people, so we kick it off with Beenie man, King Beenie man, you know. Him recently share a post to Instagram with him son where them say reside in the UK, so he must spend some time with him when he normally spend, you know that, right? So Jamaicans, typical Jamaicans way. You don't know stuck one way. You don't know no people stuck one way. You have to broke yourself and next way to enlighten your brain itself. You see me? But the people them must say shaky, pants big, this and that, and go over upon him page, I say one bag look a different thing. But foreign people forever different. What you have to say now gonna really change. Not for them still. You see me? But you don't know people who not go in night, but them for leave the dogs alone, you see it? Yeah man, all I want fish mix up with them said foolish. You see me? But we don't talk about that though. Somehow I don't know, like Amari, the powers in our music, you see me? I don't know, Jamaican artists them ever mimic her, but at least she get some form of admiration, said we see it. When I tell you like popping easy, you know, him ever make the crowd laugh, you know, that's just different.
Rise, dirty Bungle. Rise, dirty Bungle. Some girl Lego.
You don't know that go for Popcaan come out and I sing Amari rise dirty Bungle. You're supposed to know say a good look forward that. If I'm lying, I'm dying. So who naturally watch my video, them know say at every end of the video there's a live video. If you enjoy the video, you must enjoy the live inside.
You call somebody on the foot. No, I'm not reach over to say Jesus Christ, hey, we can't jump the gun here, man. No, sir. What about somebody? Tell me information that's too nice and decent, just like you look free. Them your nice information that too out there for you give for free. So now, everybody when they blame Sir World Dog, it's time for to stop it up. Because I know how me stay as me hear people business me run, can't tell you now. What about somebody coming out do this to the Jesus Christ, at you, man. Look so. When World Dog come over there, World Dog give the one amount of views, them, yes, him and Dirty Don and them go out with themselves over there, them do them thing. Right? You hear people that walk up and down and run up and down and say the youth bad mind and this and that, so till they start on the carnival too. You understand me I doing? Bad to body to another good friend and certain because when you come and ask the youth for the little energy, him give the energy. I come over there too and I do what I for do. You understand me? Create one little thing. But sir, if you can dip on the phone and tell other people say, yeah, World Dog, bad mind you don't think say the youth I got ear back. You don't think say the youth I got ear back say you say in bad mind. You should have said that, sir. Because to me, I don't see nothing where World Dog would have bad mind you for. For what? When the World Dog go live, whether I'm go live 10 times a week, 12 times a week, him still getting views them. So we more than one know now. Where World Dog would have bad mind you for. You know them look weird there? You see some of the time them one time when they're there and I say some things behind people back. The people them want to say it to. Them a bring it right back go give people. We see that Richard done right here now because a whole heap of little snake in a grass, boy. Yeah. Enough little dirty blood clot girl. They around some circle. That's why you feed them blood clot shit so they can put in a pampas. You hear me I tell you? Yeah. Because enough I don't know about a little blood clot maga fuck out girl when they there around Danny. When he am Dolly. I wish don't call her blood clot. What for call her what? Fort Lauderdale bicycle or Miami bicycle. Mama, I'm a reason with you and tell you about something. You are some of them friends that we know about your long time. Girl, I want empty your long blood clot time. A long time more empty. I so reach back to blood clot. I so reach back over here so to you, world dog and lava. I have one big stinking blood clot, long blood clot, make a dirty with girl round me. Stinking long time fuck out blood clot bicycle boy. Where everybody know. The same blood clot crocus bag of shit. When me went find her in a dirty blood clot long fuck out, breed out pussy clot girl. Me should have did left you in a blood clot that, but me bring you in a house come brown blood clot my wife. And what if I somebody come and go empty the blood clot giraffe here? Mama when me raise me there, your pussy coming like one taxi boy. Fuck out like a blood clot dog. You know sister, nobody not gonna ever marry to you. When you can blood clot married, nobody not see that they done blood clot pussy they and go married to it. You fuck like blood clot chuck. You can't tell me if you come out of my house, you wish you did have a blood clot house to you long dirty stinking blood clot girl. Eh? Someone who well want blood clot come around celebrities on this and social media, this and so. I don't know blood clot no office, you know long more empty like a dirty blood clot girl. This stinking long blood clot, pana pussy clot paint. I want to the whitewasher. Dirty blood clot, girl, you come like Labor Day. When people have to use your whitewash blood clot, corner earth. So live, let me show you a thing now. I have this dirty blood clot fuck out Fort Lauderdale bicycle in my house. My wife get to do her blood clot head. Some are not glad because each up around blood clot people. I don't know no blood clot body. What's somebody spitting at your blood clot face? Mama, the other time you can't come in a people relationship come make problem because you can't keep a man for 3 blood clot weeks and can't tell fuck you out like a dog. Yeah. The amount of man will rinse out for your dirty blood clot pussy boy. From Fort Lauderdale to Miami to blood clot New York, they rev your dirty blood clot girl. You rev like a blood clot dog. You and the other one named Desi. No, you can't diss me. Oh, no, blood clot girl can't diss me or call up my blood clot name because no have head from bull blood clot foot. Because me a bad blood clot girl and I can't do that. Me, I want blood clot. Yes, if I want you to call up my name, all you come in, you should be ashamed of your blood clot self. All you need Jesus, you need to come up your mouth with me shit in your blood clot mouth. All you sit down and go care news, go give my wife long blood clot map stick. You want somebody take one blood clot 9 iron and bust up your blood clot face long or. Mama to your blood clot long and see your whole long to blood clot from yes to every blood clot way. Man fuck you from corner to blood clot corner girl. That's why you not allow corruption to come in your blood clot house because it always a try to stir up blood clot problem. Nasty make you pussy dirty blood clot girl. You know how long I want to trace you? I feed you shit so till you put it in a blood clot pampas orange bitch. I saw much you want friend blood clot come in. You can't come back on my blood clot, you can't come name the families.